Hello dear Blender heads, I'm making a short, I hope, and very rough video to show you something we've been working in the last month, hoping that it can be useful also for you. My name is Eugenio Perinelli, I work in real-time computer graphics. I teach in an academy, northeast Italy, and then I have a company that creates content for virtual reality, basically. We use Unreal Engine every time we can. We like Unreal Engine. I like the shading model. I like the blueprint. So I did a small node group that helps me with creating texture, PBR texture, almost ready to go with Unreal. Who's familiar with the Unreal Engine shader can recognize easily the input of this node. This node has a few niceties, like it makes backface culling. You can bake the texture through the emission channel, combines multiple normals and an height map, so it does a few nice things. I'm missing a few credits here. I'm sorry about this, but it's something that has been collected over the months, so I lost track. Please contact me and I will give proper credits. By the way, in the world settings, you find this sky texture cloud that tries as well to mimic a Unreal Engine environment, so to have a closer match. Okay, let's see what this small shader can do for you. Let's start from scratch, from a new material. You can find the node under node groups. Alright. The first thing that I love is that if you have the normal map baked from iPoly model, you can directly plug it into the first normal map for added detail, and you still have another normal map in the height map that is good for painting as well. Let's try and do a simple material, a rusty metal. We start from a noise texture. Let's see what happens with the noise texture. No, I prefer the factor. Okay. Better have a color ramp. Okay, so black is rust, white is our painted color. This one can be used for the metalness, obviously, and this one can be put into the 8 map. Okay, to have this inset where it's rusty. Then let's color this. Rust is, I don't know, brown. Whoop. Dark brown. And metal is green, dark green. Okay. We can work a bit on the roughness. We can add color mix. Color mix. We use this, and we plug to roughness, and where we have rust, it's very rough, and where we have metal, it shines. Okay, I think you get the idea. Okay, so how to bake your maps? the usual way. I create a new image and I drag and drop it into the node editor. What do I want to bake? Base color. I told you everything outputs through the emit node, so if we bake, this is the base color. You can save it and then bake the metallic map, metalness map. Here you have it. Specular we don't have, but just in case you can output the specular roughness and so on. And what's cool is that if you bake the normal map, you're gonna have also the 8 map. Maybe it's a bit too strong, so let's moderate it a bit. Okay. When you bake, you also have combined normal maps. You could also have a detail normal that usually comes from a PBR texture family. But as I told you, I like to have the 8 map because it's easy to paint directly in Blender. I think that's all for the moment. In the next video I will show you a small add-on for Blender that creates a piece of interface here in the rendering settings and allows you to bake all the maps in one go. See you soon.